Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 Yamaha Wolverine RMAX 1000. We've just installed the Yamaha heater kit on it, and in response to Tommy Gun 921 on YouTube, we're going to do a little walk around and show you a little bit about the heater kit and how it all mounts up. As you can see right here, this is the defrost ducts, both on the driver and passenger side. Very nice fit and finish there with the heater ducts for the defrost. As you can see, it's a very nice flush fit on there. Obviously with your windshield on there, the air is going to come up and hit that windshield just like you would expect, like you see in your car or truck. So super clean look there. And on the inside of the cab, you do have several vents on the inside. Now you can shut these all the way or open them, and they do rotate 360 degrees. So if you'd rather the air be up on your arms, on your face, down on your legs, or shut all the way, you can certainly do that. This is on the driver's side here. Here's kind of a look of the dash. You can see the placement of those. It's right below where the drive mode switch would go on the XTRs and the Limiteds, and just below the blank space there where the drive mode switch would go. So very nice, very good looking, perfect placement really, because you can really heat up your legs both on the driver and the passenger side. Obviously the passenger side does the same functionality. You can open and shut it and rotate it into any direction that you would like. Now, how does it operate? You've got a rocker switch here with simply low and high. Now you could put this really anywhere you wanted on any of your switch plates, but that's a great easy spot for it right where it's at. Want to hear it? The machine is not running, obviously. Here is on low. My phone will probably amplify the sound a little bit here. Back to off, and then up on high. Okay, now if you do want to have extra defrost functionality, you can take and shut these vents all the way on both sides. And now your airflow is going to be a lot higher volume coming out of those defrost ducts for those super cold mornings when you're trying to get that windshield thawed out. Open those back up again, turn those in any direction that you would like. Very simple, clean, custom look when it's installed correctly. Very simple on-off operation. And there you have it. Let us know if you have any questions. Be sure and check out our previous video where we do a little more in-depth on how the install went. This video is simply just to give you a walk around, show you the placement of how it all comes together. Thanks Tommy Gun 921, and for any of you guys out on YouTube, if you have any machine specific questions on anything we carry, we're going to get it covered for you. We're going to do a video just for you. 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. 435-427-3338. Again, we'll come straight to the shop. What do you guys think of that heater kit from Yamaha? Have a great day, everybody.